I'm Ryan. So I'm a geodetic engineer and a GIS specialist. So what I do basically is web mapping applications. Nung bata ko, sobrang poor nung cardio ko. So sobrang hingalin ako. So yung mga strength activities talagang iiwasan. Tinry ko yung circuit training. So 3 rounds siya. First round pa lang, hingal na ako. Ako pa naman yung type ng person na once na parang may binigay siya na challenge, gusto ko magawa ko siya. At magawa ko siya ng tama. First gym ko kasi yung 360. So nung tinry ko, sabi ko, okay ito ah. And na-feel ko talaga na matutulungan niya ako. Kasi even the coaches kasi, generous sila when it comes to giving advices. Ano yung kailangan ko i-improve, tapos ano yung saan ako kailangan mag-focus para lumakas lalo. So sinundan ko yung payo nila and after 3 months, ang laki, drastic yung improvement talaga sa akin. The coaches, may sinabi na, for those advanced people, you can do this to challenge yourself. So ginagawa ko siya. Same kami kasi ng fitness guru. To improve more, even na nag-improve ka na. Part na ng system ko yung pag-exercise, pag may week na totally wala akong exercise, feeling ko ang hina-hina ako. What's really good about this gym is that they offer complete what you call ingredients in the workout process. So it helps you improve your stamina, your cardio, flexibility, endurance, and strength.